Today we're going to learn how to make chicken 65, a very popular fried chicken dish from Chennai. Add some ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, a tablespoon of dried roasted red chili powder, and some salt. Of course, you want to use boneless chicken pieces for this. Add 1 egg yolk. The egg yolk and the corn flour work as a binder. Also add in some coriander or slit green chilies if you like it even more spicier. Mix it well, and then you want to leave it aside to marinate for at least 30 to 40 minutes. You can also add some lemon juice here in case you like it tangy, but I like a nice ginger garlic pasty taste, which is why we've not added any more masalas. From here, you want to put in an oil into a pan, and you basically have to deep fry chicken 65 and take each of these individual pieces and just drop them in hot oil. Take care that the hot oil should not burn your fingers because it starts jumping the minute you start dropping the pieces of chicken. Just like anything that is deep fried, you want the oil to be nice and bubbling hot, and keep the flame on low once the oil has come to a boil, because you don't want to char or burn the pieces of chicken, and you want them to be well cooked, tender right inside. Cook them for about 5 to 7 minutes, and to ensure that the pieces of chicken are not sticking to the base of the pan, use a spoon and turn them around. Mix them. You can see how beautiful and golden brown the color is. They still need to be in for at least another minute or so. Your entire kitchen will be filled with the beautiful sound and smell of frying chicken 65. Take them out on a kitchen roll piece so that the extra oil gets absorbed. Now we are making the bagara or the tadka. Put in some mustard seeds into hot oil. Along with that, put in some dry red chilies and curry patta leaves. Here in Bangalore, curry patta is used in pretty much everything. So this is a Bangalore style chicken 65. Give it a nice fry, and then you basically want to put your dry red chilies, mustard seeds and curry patta tadka on top of the fried chicken 65 pieces. There you have it. Simple recipe, easy to make, and a fantastic snack.